Hi everyone, if you're looking for a low carb, really quick, easy snack or dinner, I got you covered right here. This is Parmesan lemon pepper chicken tenders. They cook in under 30 minutes in the oven, no mess. I've got Chick-fil-A sauce on the side. These are super delicious. Everything smells wonderful. And if you want to know how to make these, keep watching. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for lemon pepper Parmesan chicken tenders. Now I'm going to give you my disclaimer. I use chicken tenders. This is the last time I'm buying them. Just buy skinless, boneless chicken breasts and cut them up. They were so hard to clean. You have to get all the membrane and there's still a little bit there. I was just tired. I washed them in vinegar and water. I've got a third of a cup of olive oil. I'm using a baby baking sheet lined with parchment paper. The star is lemon pepper. I'm going to add a little paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some black pepper. I got fresh Parmesan cheese that I have grated, and that's about a third of a cup. And then I've got some more to dip it in. So my oven is at 400 degrees. Let me get everything set up. They're so small they should take no longer than 20 to 25 minutes. Internal temperature 165. Let's get cooking. Okay, I'm going to start with the olive oil. That's a third of a cup. Add that in, and that's about a third of a cup of grated fresh Parmesan cheese. Now the star is the lemon pepper, and I apologize you guys who like measurements. I'm just going to eyeball everything, season it with love. I want quite a bit of lemon pepper. I'm not adding any additional salt to this. I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder. That was garlic powder, I'm sorry, a little bit of onion powder. For extra flavor. And for some color, I'm going to use some paprika. It's not smoked, just regular. And just a little bit of extra black pepper. Stir this all together. And these are super delicious. I'm going to serve them with Chick-fil-A sauce. You can use ranch, any kind of dressing you like with these. Okay, I'm going to add my chicken tenders. And as I said, my disclaimer, this will be the last time I buy chicken tenders. I'm just going to buy the breasts and cut them up because this was a mess. You see, I didn't hardly have any left. You want to mix this really good. Make sure everything is thoroughly coated. Normally I would marinate these overnight or at least for a couple hours, but this recipe is so flavorful, you can definitely do it last minute like I'm doing. And everything is nice and coated. And since they're so thin, that's why you really have to watch them in the oven and time them because you don't want them overcooked. Then I'm going to take my Parmesan, and you just want to coat the one side Parmesan cheese and put them face down. I really just could not get out that big baking dish with the rack for just this little small amount. So a little bit crammed together, that's okay. And then the last one. If there's anything left, just put it on top. And if you don't have fresh grated Parmesan, you can definitely use Parmesan that comes with the grain lid. Won't hurt anything. I just wanted to use this up because I had it. Okay, there you go. All set. Oven is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put these in the oven for about 50. I'm going to start watching them at 15 minutes. Wow guys, these look absolutely marvelous. And they've been going about 10 minutes, so it looks like it'll take about 20 minutes to complete this. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, there you have it. Oven temperature 194, so they're way past done, so I had to take them out. They look absolutely delicious. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm going to turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. I have Chick-fil-A sauce on the side. You can use ranch, hot sauce. This is a low carb meal. This is Parmesan, lemon pepper, chicken tenders. And like I stated, If you want to be smart, just buy chicken breasts, skinless, boneless, and cut them up. Much easier because you won't have to clean them. So let me tell you guys my joke. A huge looking, mean, muscular guy walks up to the counter in a department store and says to the clerk, "Ooh, where's the men's department?" The clerk behind the counter just looked at him and said nothing. The man repeats, "Ooh, where's the men's department?" Again, the clerk doesn't look at him at all. The guy asked several more times, "Where's the men's department?" The clerk just seems to ignore him. Finally, the guy storms away in anger after not being answered. A customer who was waiting in line behind the man said, "Why didn't you answer that guy's question? Don't you think it's really rude?" The clerk replies, "Because I didn't want to get beat up." I cracked up when I heard that. Yeah, because see, he wouldn't have understood that he stuttered too and would probably thought he was being funny. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that joke and my video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Those that know me, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week and I always include inspirational quote to keep you on your grind, give you some faith, and hopefully make you feel better. This is a quick, easy meal. Serve it with French fries or just an appetizer snack with any kind of dipping sauce, sriracha. Like I said, I had ranch and Chick-fil-A sauce. Really quick and easy. It's low carb, and we're having it with French fries for dinner. Absolutely delicious. You guys are going to be amazed. And if you want it crunchier, use less olive oil and more Parmesan, and that will make it crunchier. That's my disclaimer. But anyway, you know, my channel is all about quick, fast, easy meals for people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't have time to cook. So anyway, I hope to see you guys on the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and always know that I respond to each and every one of my comments. No matter how long it takes me, I still work full time. I'm blessed to have you guys watching, and I'm so thankful. So hope to see you on the next one. God bless, and have a good evening.